How to copy link from Instagram comment. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. First of all, go ahead and copy a random link. Say for example this one. Now go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and make a comment with that link. After that, take a screenshot. Let me just crop this so we have only our comment in the picture. Now we will use a tool that extracts text from images. There are a bunch of websites and apps that do that, so feel free to choose whichever option suits you the best. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an online one. Go ahead and open up any browser you have. Search for text extractor from image. Navigate to any one of these results as they all do the same job and work the same way. Once you are there, you simply need to upload the image or photo and let the tool do its job. Once it's done, the link text will be extracted from the photo and you can now copy it to use it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to copy link from Instagram comment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.